Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways how you can add or insert a signature to your documents in Microsoft Word. For instance, to give your documents a little bit more professionality and some of your professional touch with your own signature. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. In the first step, launch a new document or open an already existing document on Word. And there are basically two different ways how you can add a signature, guys. The first option would simply be to draw one with your hand, or to be more precise here, with your mouse. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on draw here at the top menu and select your preferred drawing tool from that list of editing tools here at the top. For instance, a pen, pencil, or marker. If you click on that arrow down icon here, you will be given access to a variety of customizations, like for instance, change the color, the font color, or the thickness. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go with a simple standard white colored pen signature like that, because the document background, as you can see, is dark for me. So for you, it will be standard black color on a white background probably. So what you want to do, guys, is simply use your mouse to draw your signature just like that, as if you would do that with your hand on a sheet of paper, just like that. Now, if you don't feel comfortable with drawing your signature yourself here manually in your document, you may also simply upload it here to your document and add it. For instance, a scan of a handwritten signature of yours, or one you created with Paint, for example, or Photoshop. So simply click on Insert here at the top, move the mouse where you'd like to place your signature here in your document. And what you want to do after that is click on Pictures here and select this device from the drop-down menu. Next, locate your file, your image in JPEG or PNG format on your device, upload it, and add it to your document here to position it and to change its size. And just like that, guys. So as you can see, it is super simple. I hope you enjoyed the video, got something from it, and I'll catch you later.